Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a getting ready with me featuring Ana Luisa NY jewelry. If you aren't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos today. Alright, so thank you to Ana Luisa for sending me over these beautiful pieces. My first impression is that I love the shipping box. It was very simple and minimalistic, and all of their shipping boxes are 100% recyclable, and your jewelry comes with these little cotton pouches that you can keep it stored in to prevent any scratches on your jewelry. So the first piece of jewelry that I have here is a gold bracelet, and the name of this piece is called Elijah Regular, and it is a 6-inch gold bracelet. I thought that this piece was super cute, super dainty, and the chain on this reminds me of something from the 90s, so it was a little nostalgic and reminded me of something that my mom would wear as an anklet or a bracelet. Alright, so next up here we do have this beautiful pair of gold earrings. The name of this piece is Suzanne, and these are 14 karat gold plated, and they do have little diamonds in them. I just thought these were super cute and dainty for everyday wear if you just want to be simple and not do too much but still pull your look together. So this piece here is actually my favorite. It is called Meesh, and it's this beautiful gold necklace with this jade stone pendant. And when I seen this, I was like, oh my goodness, I love this. I have to have it. Ana Luisa is a sustainable company, and they are very conscious with keeping our planet in mind when it comes to carbon emissions, and they are 100% carbon and water neutral. I've been wearing my jewelry now for about 2 weeks, and I have been showering with these on. I've been putting on my body care products as usual, perfume, and I haven't had any tarnishing or noticed that there was any kind of damage coming from my body products. So I thought that the quality of this was amazing. So my essentials for getting ready is just having a nice simple face makeup, and I do like to wear simple jewelry. I don't like anything that is too flashy or too bold. Love like a good lip gloss or lip oil on my lips. Just something very simple for the day. I definitely love fragrances, so that is a big part of my getting ready, is to pick out a scent for the day. Another good practice for getting ready is to just have some positive affirmations to say to yourself while you're getting ready. Compliment yourself. Just embrace everything that you are. And even though it's something so cliche, it's just getting dressed and putting on makeup and jewelry, it definitely makes you feel good when you look good. Ana Luisa is actually having their biggest sale of the year, which is their end of the year sale. So if you guys want to check out their website, I will leave the link below in the description box, and I will also link the pieces that were mentioned in this video if you are interested. Definitely check them out if you're looking for a sustainable brand that has quality jewelry that lasts a long time, so it's worth the money. To check out Ana Luisa. I'll put that link again in the description box. You do not want to miss this end of the year sale. We have 2 more days before the sale is over. This is going to be the most savings that you will get this year. So be sure to check them out if you're interested in some top-notch jewelry. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment below, and thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos.